All right, now that we learned so far so good, we've learned about the users, we've navigate around the user screen, we've also even learned about how to add a new user. But how can you edit your own profile? Like if you want to edit your profile, so let's say you are bearing you want to change your email address, or you want to change your password, and or you want to even change your profile picture. So how can you do that? In this part we are going to learn how you can edit your profile. So there are actually two ways that you can, if you want to navigate to your profile, so you can, there are two ways that you can do it. There are two methods. So you can either move your cursor to the top right corner here, which you find Audi, and you can click on edit profile, or you can move your cursor right there and click on the profile here. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to your own profile details. So you can see your profile details. So you can see a lot of options here that allows you to actually make changes to your own profile. So here you can change the color of your admin bar. So you can decide to change the color of your admin bar. So let me change it to sunrise. So, and you can also enable keyboard shortcut for comment moderation. So you can click on this link to find more information about what keyboard shortcut is, but you can leave that for now. So now let's move on to editing your basic information. So you scroll down, and here you have username. So you cannot change your username. Once you have been able to assign a username, you cannot change it. So username is something that you can't change on your site to avoid conflict. So you can, but you can change your first name. So let's say I want to change my first name to Abdullah Hamid. So I'm going to change it, and my last name I want to leave it at Sanusi. So nickname, you can change your nickname, but kindly note that nickname is different from username. So nickname is something that is going to display. So you can change your nickname. So let's say I want to have it as Tuamword, and you can change your display name. So display name is what is going to show on your site. So we can decide to change your name to Abdulhamid Sanusi, because I've actually changed it from Tunde Sanusi to Abdulhamid Sanusi. So, or Sanusi Abdulhamid, or I can even decide to show only my last name, or I want to show only my first name, or I want to show just my nickname. So you decide what you want to show from here. And so let's say in this case I want to show my nickname. So you can, and here you can also change your email. So I can decide to change my email to hello@amword.com, and here you can fill in your website. If you have your own personal website, you can fill it. I have my website at tuamword.com, and or you can even put in your social media link there. So it doesn't have to be your personal website, it can be your social media link here. So here we have the biography info. So here you can write a short details about yourself. So if you want to write details about yourself, so you can say creative website designer, content creator, and consultant. So this is where you fill in your biography information. And if you want to change your profile picture, you have to do that on Gravatar. So Gravatar is like a place where you can change your profile picture. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to the part where you can change your profile picture. And this account management aspect is where you change your password. So if you want to change the password of your website, this is where you are going to change it. So you just click on the button set new password. So once you click on the button set new password, it's going to show you the current password, and you can actually change it. So let's say I want to change it to something else. So I just say new at pass one word 4. So, and here in this section we have logout everywhere else. So what this logout everywhere simply means is that if you have your account logged in, let's say on your phone or another computer, you can actually decide to log it out from here. So when you click log out from here, you are going to log out from all of the devices that you might have signed in. So, and when you click on update profile, so it's going to update the new changes. So now let's say so you can see notification here, your email address has not been updated yet. Please check your email for a confirmation email. So you have to check your email for the confirmation email and activate the email. So the changes here as you can see, so let me refresh this page. So I have the admin color scheme that I've changed, and also if you should visit the website, so you're going to notice that my screen name has changed. So you can see it's no longer showing my full name, and it's now showing my user is showing my nickname, which I fill in there that it should only display name publicly as two-arm word. So it's now showing that as two-arm word. So that it's all about that, about editing your own personal profile.